Now let me discuss about the antimicrobials. So if you take the antimicrobial agents, which are nothing but the antibiotics, right, which are nothing but the antibiotics. These are the substances which will suppress the growth of the microorganism or kill the microorganism at very low concentration. Alright, so antibiotics are substances which will suppress or kill the microorganism, right, or kill the microorganism at low concentration, right, at low concentration, right. These are what is called as antibiotics. Now within this antibiotics, now let me discuss some of the general considerations. Now what are those general considerations is, first let me talk about what is called as drug resistance. Right, let me talk about what is called as drug resistance. So if you see this drug resistance in bacteria, it may be natural, right, it may be natural or acquired, right. So these are the two forms of the drug resistance. Now first let me talk about the development of acquired resistance. The development of acquired resistance may be due to single step mutation or may be due to multi-step mutation. Okay, so if you take the acquired resistance, this acquired resistance, it may be due to single step mutation or it may be due to multi-step mutation. Now you take this single step mutation, the development of resistance in the bacteria in acquired form by single step mutation is seen with the antibiotics streptomycin and rifampicin. This will be asked as multiple choice questions, right. So single step mutation is seen with the antibiotics, that is streptomycin, right, which is an aminoglycoside, and we have another antibiotic, that is rifampicin, which is a first line anti-tubercular drug. And you take this multi-step mutation. Multi-step mutation is seen with antibiotics like erythromycin, right, erythromycin, and apart from this erythromycin, the multi-step mutation is also seen with tetracycline, right, tetracycline, and the other antibiotic is the chloramphenicol. Right, the other antibiotic is the chloramphenicol. So these are the antibiotics which will develop resistance within the bacteria by multi-step mutation within the bacteria. Now you take this particular drug resistance. This drug resistance can be transferred from one microorganism to the other microorganism. Alright, so what you have to remember is this drug resistance, this can be transferred. Right? How is this transferred? It is transferred from one microorganism to other microorganism. Right? And how does this transfer occur? This particular transfer, it occurs by the gene transfer. Right? This occurs by gene transfer. Alright, next. Now, this particular gene transfer from one microorganism to other microorganism, it will occur via conjugation, transduction and transformation. Alright, so this gene transfer, it occurs via conjugation, via transduction and via transformation. Alright, so these are the various methodologies by which the gene transfer will occur for the drug resistance. Okay, so drug resistance, remember, it can be transferred from one microorganism to the other microorganism by gene transfer via conjugation, transduction and transformation. Now let me discuss the individual ways, that is conjugation, transduction and transformation. So let me shortly revise. Antibiotics are those substances which will suppress or kill the microorganism at low concentration, and this drug resistance in the microorganism is acquired by natural or the acquired way. If you take the acquired resistance, this acquired resistance will take place either by single step mutation or the multi-step mutation. This single step mutation is seen with streptomycin, which is an aminoglycoside, and rifampicin, which is a first line anti-tubercular drug. And multi-step mutation, wherein the organism will develop the resistance, is with erythromycin, which is a macrolide group of antibiotic, tetracycline and chloramphenicol, which are broad spectrum antibiotics. And this drug resistance is transferred from one microorganism to the other by gene transfer via conjugation, transduction and transformation. Now let me discuss about conjugation, transduction and transformation.